Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to mention the benefits of practicing with my strategy. The first benefit is, if you practice with my strategy, you will have lot of ideas. You will be able to create ideas for all topics and you will not feel nervous while speaking. Because the major problem while speaking is nervousness and hesitation. And these two things come when we don't have ideas. And I teach ideas. I am not teaching you English, I am teaching you ideas. The second benefit is that once your structure is fixed and you have ideas, it will give you immense confidence. It doesn't matter what your level in English speaking is. If you have ideas, you will be very confident and you will feel more relaxed while answering the topics. And the third, which is the most important benefit of my strategy, is that once the structure is fixed, you can easily remember grammar, vocabulary and idioms because you are not going to repeat the question there. They are going to ask you just one cue card and the story remains same for all. So once the structure is fixed, you can easily improve all these three parameters. And lastly, I would like to say that IELTS speaking is the easiest module because there is no right and wrong answer. You can answer everything and anything. Everything is right answer in IELTS speaking. You cannot lie about two things, that is your name and your location. That is because it is mentioned on your passport. Apart from it, you can answer everything, and that is why it is the easiest module of all four. Thank you so much.